Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels crashing on Android device or how to fix Instagram Reels not working on Android phone. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android phone, and once it restarts, then you can launch Instagram and check your problem is fixed or not. Second solution is to force stop Instagram app. So tap and hold the Instagram app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Now you can launch Instagram app and check the issue is fixed or not. If not, then you have to clear Instagram app cache. So tap and hold Instagram app icon again, then click on app info, then go to storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. And then you can launch Instagram app, log into your account and check if the Instagram Reels crashing issue is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then check for Instagram app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and tap on it. Now if you find any updates for this Instagram app, then update it and then you can launch it and check if your issue is fixed or not. If still your problem is not solved, then again tap and hold Instagram app icon, then click on app info, go to the battery usage. Now select the first option, allow background activity. In some phone it will show no restriction, so select that option, click on allow to confirm, and then you can launch the Instagram app and then you can check reel is working or not, or reel keep crashing issue is fixed or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to simply reinstall Instagram app. So tap and hold Instagram app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall option to uninstall it. Now just restart your Android device, and once your Android device get restarted, open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and install it. And once your Instagram get installed, you can launch it and log into your account and then check Instagram Reels keep crashing issue is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.